Assalamu alaikum food enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making restaurant style creamy chicken Karahi. If you're a fan of rich indulgent flavors, you are in for a real treat. So let's dive right in. Before we begin this recipe, take a quick look at all ingredients you'll need. Now in a wok, add around 200 ml oil. And let it heat properly, like this. Now add your chicken. I'm using around 750 grams of chicken. Now fry it for 10 minutes until it changes color, like this. Now strain out the oil. Strain it out completely while leaving the chicken in the wok. Now add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Now set aside. Again in the same wok, add around 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 sliced onions. One sliced green chili. Saute it for a bit and add around 1 cup of water. Close the lid and let it cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until it's get golden brown. Same like this. Now add your chicken and 1 cup of yogurt. Mix it nicely. Now put 3 whole and 1 sliced green chilies. And 1 tablespoon of oregano. It will give you an immense flavor and fragrance. Put the lid on and let it cook for around 10-15 minutes. While stirring in between, you can see in this cinematic shot now add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Finish it off with a cup of cream. I'm using around 200 grams of cream. After adding cream, just cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes and then just dish it out in a serving dish. As you can see, the texture is so creamy and delicious. Our Karahi is done, it's ready. Now garnish it with cilantro, green chilies and ginger. There you have it. It's our creamy chicken karhai. It's ready to be enjoyed. It's a wonderful fusion of traditional and creamy flavors that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. And I recommend you this recipe. And if you like this recipe and video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. To our channel High on Food, it helps us to grow more. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.